All right, now it's time to implement the dark mode. Now back to the documentation of Chakra, let's search for color mode. On this page, you can read all the details about how color mode works in Chakra. There are a few steps you need to follow, and I'm going to show you those steps in this video. You don't need to memorize anything. You can always come back to this page, okay? So back to our project. Here in the source folder, let's add a new file called theme.ts. We're going to customize the default theme that comes with Chakra. On the top, we need to import a function called extend theme, as well as an interface called theme config from Chakra UI/React. Then we need to create a configuration object. We need to annotate this with theme config so we can access its properties like initial color mode. We set this to dark. Then we call extend theme and pass an object with the config property. This returns a theme that we store here. And finally, we need to export this from this module. Okay, now we need to go to main.tsx and import our theme right here. So after app component, I'm going to import our theme. Okay, now there are two places where we need to use this. First is in Chakra provider, we need to set the theme to the theme object. And also, before our app, we need to add another component called color mode script. This is also defined in Chakra UI/React. We import this and set initial color mode to theme.config.initial color mode. That's all you have to do. Now back to the browser. If you refresh, the page is still light because Chakra stores the selected mode in the local storage so it can remember it in the future. So here we need to open Chrome DevTools. Here on the application tab, let's look at local storage for this website. So look, here we have a key called Chakra UI color mode, which is set to light. We need to delete this, then refresh the page, and now our app is in the dark mode. Now, if you look at the local storage again, the dark mode is stored right here. So it will be remembered in future sessions. Now, once again, it's time to review our code and commit it to our repository. So here we say implement dark mode.